Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you the top 7 reasons to buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and trust me, there's some good reasons. So let's get started. Now before I do get started with the top 7, I do want to mention some honorable mentions that were good, but just weren't enough to make it like top reasons to buy. First off is AI converting your text. Now this can be a difference of having yourself speak more casually, more business-like, professional style, or more social media-like. It actually has different ways of saying each of these, and I really like that just because if you are sending an email, you can actually highlight your text and rewrite it in a professional style, or if you're posting on social, you can rewrite it, you'll even get some hashtags. And then finally, a big one, but only really for students or workforce people that have to take meetings and take notes. You can actually use AI to recap all of your notes, make them nice, clean, and easy. You can do this on Samsung Notes, and also more importantly to me, voice recording. I can literally have a voice recording, it'll organize all the notes automatically, and this is just great so you can actually send recap emails for your meetings without needing to do anything or take any notes yourself. And now the top 7 reasons on why you're going to buy the S24, and when you do buy it, make sure to subscribe to get all the best videos on how to improve it even more so. Coming in at number 7, it's going to be the 7 years of software support. Yes, Samsung is actually promising 7 years of software support. This actually blows everyone else out of the water when it comes to just having longer and longer software support. It's really great that Samsung is going to support this specific phone for 7 more years. So that's really great to hear that if you're going to buy it in 2024, you're going to have it still being software supported in 2031. Number 6 is a big deal because if you happen to use your phone outside, it really matters so you can see it. Every time I go to a theme park, it really is a struggle to see my phone outside, but the S24 Ultra compared to the S23 Ultra has a 2600 nit brightness compared to a 1750 nit brightness. This is huge. You can really see it a lot more outside, but not only that, it has an anti-reflective screen. So it really is much easier to see outside in the day. Here's a little snapshot to give you an idea, but I cannot tell you enough how much better it is in person. Now for number 5, Samsung is really touting this one, and that is Circle to Search. You just hold the bottom of your phone and automatically you can search anything on your screen, whether that be an Instagram post, whether that be something you took a photo of and are now looking at it. Whatever it is, it really is awesome just to be able to find things, to buy things, to see where something is available, to find out more about something. You can even highlight a celebrity and find out about their bio. Now, this is more for famous people than personal people. It will not automatically pull up your LinkedIn or your Facebook if you are Joe Schmo on the street. That is a security feature that is built in. So I really love this feature. It really is so useful, and I think more and more people are going to use it to the point that I think every phone will eventually have it, but this is the first one to have it and probably will have it by itself with the Pixel in mind for at least 6 months. Now this next feature isn't really being talked about as much, but it's something so cool. Instant slow motion. Yes, slow motion has been around for a long time on phones, but you have to set it up and get it just right. Now you can actually just record video, and guess what? You're gonna get instant slow motion. I love this fact. It is such a cool feature, the fact that I can just shoot video just like normal, and then after the fact, actually slow it down and create slow motion. AI literally generates the frames that are missing, and it does look a little bit interesting at times, but the end result is really cool. And just the fact that you get this on such a higher quality level than, you know, when it's been tried before is a really cool feature. And honestly, if you like slow motion or having a dramatic effect here and there, this is the absolute best way to do it, and it does it better than any other app I've seen do it so far. The new Quick Share app. This feature is so amazing. You can send 4K videos, perfect quality, to anyone in the world. I don't care if they have an iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. You can actually share perfect quality videos with anyone. It's all with the new Quick Share app. Samsung was so far ahead that Google basically just merged their Nearby Share and Quick Share to make one new app permanently, and they kept the Samsung name because you can just Quick Share, share a link, and bam, you have a perfect uploaded 4K video that anyone can download, whether it be an iPhone user, whether it be a Samsung user, an Android user, whether it be a PC, Mac, doesn't matter. You get perfect quality links shared to everyone, so everyone sees it at the full quality you shot it at, not some compressed mess. Now, the second best feature is definitely one that I was just amazed by how good it was. Phone translation, or translation peer-to-peer, period. AI translating peer-to-peer is really astounding. It is call assistant, so you can actually call someone and speak to them in a different language, and the phone does everything for you. By the way, it doesn't matter if they're a landline, it doesn't matter who they are. You can actually translate and they will translate it back to you. It is awesome. It's a really great feature. It breaks barriers in my opinion, and something that I love that I'm seeing now. Also, this can happen in text messaging as well. So with your text, it will automatically translate a text message that you are sending to someone else in a different language. You see the original language and then it translates to your language. This is so awesome. I can translate to someone in Chinese, Spanish, French. It's just really cool, the fact that you get this ability and it's just built into your phone and it doesn't matter what phone they have. All of this is done for you and for them with translation on your phone. And finally, the one that I have to say is the best above all, the upgraded photo and video quality, especially when it comes to low light and especially when it comes to social media. This is something very different than we've seen in past years. Android has not always been the best on certain social media apps. This S24 will automatically upload the perfect HDR quality to Instagram, to Snapchat, and a lot of others as it was shot. That is huge. Above all else for all these other Android devices, that the S24 is the only one that has it. It's actually the first one to do HDR on Instagram even before the iPhone. So that being said, it really is so much better in keeping all of the data that it's recorded at. But the video quality is astounding too. Not only is the zoom really good and all of that, but your video quality is better in low light, and also you can zoom in at 4K 60, which you weren't able to do before. And since that is the best way you can shoot video, don't at me MKBHD, it really is just astounding how much better it is just to be able to do something you literally can't do on the S23 Ultra and under. This is an upgrade that is astounding. To shoot at the best quality while being able to zoom in is something that no other Samsung was able to do, but this phone can. And the low light photography is really good so far. I am waiting for the update that is coming out in 2 days to really show you a camera comparison. Make sure to subscribe to check out those. But already from early shots, compared to the S23 Ultra to the S24 Ultra, it is night and day difference. It just really stands out to be a lot better, and it's very surprising actually. Whether it be the main camera or the zoom-in camera, you are getting much better shots than you did before, and it is definitely astounding and noticeable to the point that I could easily recommend it just for the better photo taking and video taking alone. But those are my 7 reasons why I think you should buy the Galaxy S24 series. Let me know in the comment section. Do you agree? Do you not agree? Is there a feature that I went over you weren't convinced about? Or is there a feature that you're still curious about? Let me know in the comment section down below. Gonna do lots of follow-up videos on this devices over the next coming weeks and show you a lot of tips and tricks on how to make it even better. Thank you always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.